Give it to me. Give it to me.
What's up, P&D Squad? It's your girl Precious, and I'm back with another bang for y'all. By the title of this video, you already know what I'm about to get into. I'm about to be pranking your boy Dre. Now, I know y'all didn't think I was done with him. I gotta be quiet. I'm whispering because he in there asleep. He think that it's over. He think that I got him back for the flower prank. He think that it's over. Oh, baby, it's never over. I told y'all it was prank wars. Did I not say it was prank wars? Did I not say that it's not over? I'm about to be pouring baby powder all over him in his sleep. I'm about to go in there and flick on the lights real fast and throw baby powder on him. He ain't gonna know what's going on. He gonna think he having a terrible dream because I'm on his butt. Y'all don't understand. It's prank wars. He threw flour all over me. He did end up feeding me a day or two later, but he threw flour all over me and had me starving for that day. I got him. Look, I got the flour right here. Yes, I did get the cheap kind because it's a prank. But I'm gonna come back to y'all once I'm setting up the camera. Peace. Make sure that it's open. Smell good. You want to pour flour on me, right?
You think I ain't seen nothing?
Dre.
Did I get my hands on you? I can't see nothing.
This for you pouring that flour on me.
Man, flower, give me something. I can't see nothing.
What you mean you can't see?
I can't see.
What you mean you can't see?
Wipe my eyes off.
I'm not touching you.
Come here. Give me something to wipe my eyes off. Where you at? I can't see nothing.
No, you don't need me.
Come here. Give me something.
Here. Dre. Here.
You about to ignorant.
You want to play so much all the time. That's all you want to do. You can't sleep, huh? I told you weren't going to get no rest with me. Ain't that what I told you? I told you weren't going to get no rest.
You better get some permanent rest.
What you mean? What you mean by that? Was it supposed to be bedtime? Dre? Sit down.
You ain't got nothing else better to do.
You ain't had nothing else better to do when you woke me up out my sleep, did you? Get back in bed. Go to sleep. Shoot. Waking me up out my sleep. You thought it was cute, didn't you? You thought it was funny. It was a funny prank when you did. Ow!
Put it down. You better put it down. You better put it down now.
I'm not putting it down. I'm not putting it
Look
down.
at the mess you made.
You made this mess. I didn't make this. You made this.
Shut up.
Who you jumping at? You made this mess.
Put it down. Put it down.
Put the water down.
Put it down.
You got to sleep up here.
No, I sleep on the floor.
Okay, sleep on the floor.
You get beat with a jug of water. Put it down. Put it down.
You ever got beat with a thing of powder? You run this on yourself, you know.
Get it. Say sorry.
No.
Come here.
No.
Come here.
No. I hit you with everything in here. Stop.
Oh, right, wrong way.
Stop. Let me turn this light on so I can clean up this mess.
This don't make no damn sense.
What you mean it don't make no sense? Stop. Let me clean up the mess. Look at this. Look at the bed. Oh my goodness. What happened in here?
Some of us gotta go to work tomorrow.
I don't.
Fucking ignorant. You ain't got nothing better to do.
How I ain't got nothing better else to
You
do?
ain't getting the damn move out of my face.
Look. You started this.
Stop! Go get this up so we can clean this up. How we gonna clean this up?
How we gonna clean this up? Same way you cleaned up the flour. Now give me a kiss. Say Team Precious.
No.
Say Team Precious.
No. That loose lame teammate saying that. No, get out my face.
I bet you won't go to sleep again.
Who won't?
I bet you won't go to sleep again.
Move, Freddy Krueger.
It's forever water.
You got one more time. You got one more time. I'm kicking you.
Back up off me. Put it on me.
I will. Come here. Come here. You see this? Oh, God. Yeah, get some of that powder on you. You just put it on you.
Give me a hug. Say Team Precious.
No.
Give me a kiss.
No.
It's 18 Precious.
No, I'm not saying it. Jewel.
Whatever, I'm sure.
They saying that. You gotta come better than that. Me say that.
Better than that.
Ain't gonna happen.
Bet you won't sleep peacefully ever again in this.
You just know payback's some mug.
Ain't no payback, baby. You can't with me.
Okay. Okay. There's no payback.
Just say Team Precious.
I'm not.
Just say Team Precious.
Move so I can sit down.
What you worried about sitting down?
Going back to sleep. I don't even know what side is the right side of the cover. Stop it.
Okay, fine. Go ahead, go back to sleep.
Where that powder at? Yeah, that's how I put it up. Look at my phone.
Go ahead, go back to sleep, sweetheart.
Yeah. Put it down. Put it down. Give it to me. Give it to me. Let it go. No, no, no.
I was trying to take it out there so it could be away from all of us.
Away from you.
Dre.
Well, you can't reach it. Look at the floor. Look at the bed.
You gonna clean it up?
I ain't cleaning up.
You'll be alright. Give me a hug.
I ain't giving you nothing. Get out
Give
my
me a
face.
hug. Stop crying about it.
No.
I got a little bit of powder on me too. It's okay. It's just powder. You mad? You mad? What you gonna do? What you gonna do?
I'll whoop your.
Whoop y'all. You stop. Okay. It's over.
No. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. You threatening me? Do you threaten?
I know you're not.
How you like it? You better do dance? You know, I can't do it. Sit down before I tackle you.
Tackle me then.
White stuff all over your mouth. You gonna wipe out my Sit down. Sit down. You didn't want me to come up there and tackle you. You didn't want to play. You're not ready to broke other bed. Sit down.
I ain't broken no bed.